Hello students, in the previous part of this chapter square and square root we have learned long division method. Now we will do the exercise 6.4. So let's start with the exercise. Question number 1, find the square root of each of the following number by division method. Question number 1, first part, that is 2304. Let's do the question. We will make pair. So we have two pairs. Now we will find a number whose square is less than or equal to 23. Let's find out. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25 and 6 square is equal to 36. So 36 is greater than 23. So we will take 16 because 25 is also greater than 23. So we will write 4 here and 4 here. 4 4s are 16. Now we will subtract 3 minus 6. That means 13 minus 6. We will get 7. Now we will carry forward 0 4 as a whole. Right? Addition of this 4 4. 8. Now we have a number 704. So 4 at the unit place. We will find out a number whose square consists of 4 at the unit place. Let's find out. We have 2 for 4 and 7 square 49, 8 square is 64. So we get two numbers. Those are having 4 at the unit place. Let's try. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So this comes very less from 704. This is not our answer. Let's try 8. 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 6, 70. So now we get the answer, that is 8. So we will write 8 here and 8 here. 704. That means 8 multiplied by 88. We have 704, 704. On subtracting, we get 0. So this number is the square of 2304 is the square of 48. This is your rough work you will do at the right corner of the page. Alright, let's do another question. 9th part. I am doing 9th part of this question, that is 576. Let's start doing it. 576, we will make pair. Now what we will do? We will take a number whose square is less than or equal to 5. So we have 2 here, 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Now subtracting 1, 7, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we have 6 at the unit place. Let's find out which number has 6 at the unit place. We have two numbers. Those who are having 6 at unit place, that is 4 and 6. So first we will try 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4 16, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17. So we get the answer on multiplying 4. We will write 4 here and 4 here. So 576 is the square of 24. This is your answer. Rest of the questions are same. Moving to the question number 3. Question number 3. In this question we have decimal numbers to find out their squares. Square root. Let's take second part of this question, 7.29. The process will remain same. We will make pair first. Now we will do same thing. We need to find out a number whose square is less than or equal to 7. Alright, so we have 4. 2 here, 4. We get 3. We will carry forward 29. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we have unit place as 9. We will find out number. Those are having 9 at unit place. Let's find out which will be our number. 4. 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So this is not our number. We will try another one, that is 7. 4 7 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we get the answer, that is 32. Here we will write 7 7. But we have taken point before the 29 carry forward. So we will write point here also. We get our answer, that is 7.29 is the square of 2.7. Alright. This is your answer. Now moving to the question number 6. Let's do question number 6. The question says, find the length of a side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Question number 6, what is saying that a square has an area of 441 meter square. So we know that the area of the square is side multiply side, or we can say side square, right? So we have the area. We have area 441 meter square. We need to find out the square root of. What we will do? We will do side under root. This is the sign of under root meter square. Alright. So now we will find the square root of 441. What we will do? We will do the long division method. Making pair first. Alright. Now we will find a number whose square is equal to or less than 4. So we have the number, that is 2. 2 here and 2 here, 4. 0. 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Alright. Now 41 is going to carry forward. Now we have 1 on the unit place. So we are having 1 for 1 square and 9 for 81. Alright. So first we will try 1. 41 multiply 1 is 41. That is the answer, right? So we will write 1, 1 and 41. So we get the answer, that is 21 is the side. So we get the answer, that is this square is having side with 21 meter. Alright, this is our answer. Try the question of this exercise. All questions are based on long division method.